Welcome everyone. Today we will examine a strategy for implementing a QMS per the requirements of element 4.4 of ISO 9001 standard. But before we begin, click the subscribe button not to miss our new videos. I also invite you to stay to the end, as I will show you how to get a free template of the project plan for implementation of ISO 9001 QMS. In the previous 5 videos on element 4.4, we covered all the requirements of the clause. All links are below if you need to catch up. Let's get started. When you go on vacation, you use a plan. It's a map. When you build a house, you use a plan. It's a blueprint. When you are developing a system, you should consider a plan too. In this case, it's a project plan. A project plan is a great tool, and I use it on all of my consulting jobs. It works like a charm. Contemporary project management goes back to 1917, when Henry Gantt created a well-known scheduling plan called in his name the Gantt chart. The method uses a visual timeline to plan tasks with their durations. Since then, the Gantt chart has modernized the project management discipline. For example, the Hoover Dam construction managers used the Gantt chart to plan and manage their remarkable project from 1931 to 1936. The dam was one of the first significant projects to utilize Gantt's innovation. The project was exceptional because the contractor finished the dam, believe it or not, 2 years ahead of schedule and under budget. Nowadays, countless project management software applications are on the market, but many may not be economical or practical for all companies. As an alternative, I recommend a simple Microsoft Excel chart. So let's use our project plan template to guide us through the implementation of our QMS per element 4.4. In the tasks column, we will list all the requirements of clause 4.4, policies, procedures, interactions, risks and opportunities, objectives, and others. Then we will use the timeline section to define when we plan the completion of each task. Applying the legend, you may identify the status and progress of tasks, planned, actual, or completed. In addition, the template allows you monitoring planned and actual time and costs, yours or your consultant or both. Again, a project plan is an irreplaceable tool, and I strongly recommend using it for implementation of any management system. This concludes our 6th and the last video on clause 4.4. Do not forget to visit our Lean website. Go to the Academy page and download your free copy of the project plan template. Please give us a like to help promote our Lean project. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark Kaganov. To learn more about Lean ISO management systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. You may find a link to it on Amazon below. Stay tuned for the following videos, and I hope to see you then.